Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be delving into the topic of when it's best to implement a night shift for your maintenance team. We'll be examining different types of maintenance environments, from property and facilities to industrial, and discuss how the nature of your business can determine the level of staffing you'll need for a night shift. We'll also touch on the role of a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, in coordinating these tasks. Stay tuned to find out how to ensure your maintenance team is equipped to tackle problems around the clock. Have you ever wondered when it's the right time to create a night shift for your maintenance team? Well, you're not alone. Maintenance problems don't typically respect the 9-to-5 workday. That means you really need at least one maintenance person on call around the clock, regardless of what type of organization you're maintaining. However, the type of business you're in will determine how heavily you need to staff that night shift on a regular basis. Let's look at some examples. First, let's talk about property maintenance. If you're running a maintenance team for an apartment complex, nursing home, or other residential complex, you simply need a maintenance technician on call to handle any emergencies that come up. The majority of maintenance tasks for properties can be handled through work orders that can generally wait until at least the next morning or even the next business day. Next, we have facilities maintenance. In the case of maintenance for an educational facility, government building, or any other non-manufacturing business, you will need a night shift janitorial staff as well as a maintenance technician on call to manage emergencies. Most commercial buildings are only functioning at peak capacity during regular business hours, and although some staff may be working into the night, you typically will not require a heavily staffed night shift in these environments. Cleaning common areas, restocking and sanitizing restrooms, and mopping and vacuuming, however, are best done during closed hours. Last but certainly not least, we have industrial maintenance. You'll need the most heavily staffed night shift if you work for a manufacturing plant, distribution operation, or other production facility. Most of these operations run around the clock, and you'll most certainly need a night shift that is nearly as large as your day shift team. You can certainly use your CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, to schedule preventive and predictive maintenance inspections and tasks during the day shift. However, if your machines are running around the clock, you'll have to address repairs or other issues as they arise at night. In addition, this shift will need to test certain equipment that is only used during the night hours. So there you have it. Whether you're in property maintenance, facilities maintenance, or industrial maintenance, the need for a night shift team varies. But one thing's for sure: maintenance problems don't wait for the sun to rise, so having a team ready to tackle issues at any hour is a must. Thank you for watching today's video. We've discussed the importance of having a night shift in different maintenance environments and how the nature of your business can determine the level of staffing you'll need. We also touched on the role of a CMMS in coordinating these tasks. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, maintenance problems don't wait for the sun to rise, so equip your team to tackle issues at any hour.